Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So I have something new and exciting. I have Tuwesen shower steamers. Spa in a box is all I can say. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you'll like it enough to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up. So I just want to take a bit of your time today. This was sent to me for review, and it couldn't be one of my more favorite products. I am more of a shower person than a bath person. So when I was asked to review this product, I couldn't say no. So I had picked, I believe this is the purple choice, and it has all sorts of flavors inside. So you take it out, and these are all the gorgeous scents. So we have a couple of lavender, we have a couple of eucalyptus mint, and then we have a watermelon, we have an orange, we have a mint, and we have a pomegranate. And the way that you use a shower steamer is you just pop it out and drop it in the shower, but you don't want to drop it too close to where the water's coming out. You just put it a little bit away, and then the water hits the steamer, and out comes the wonderful scent that you choose. And what I do with these when I am not using them is I'll put them either in my lingerie drawer, or if it's a lighter scent, like maybe the orange, I'll put them in with my linens, my towels, my sheets, and what a smell. So by the time you're seeing this video, I have already tried them. And they have different ones. I'll leave the link below. And I believe there's a discount code going on. So they have multiple different scents. They have multiple sizes, so you can get more than what I have in here. So make sure you check it out. And as always, thank you guys for stopping by, and I'll see you on my next video.